Today, I will show you how to create a Busta 929 type beat. We are going to be basing it off his song Umsebenzi Wethu featuring the likes of Mr JazziQ and Reece Madlisa. The first thing that I started with is tempo. I usually set my tempo between 111 to 114. For this beat, my tempo is set at 112 BPM. For me, when it comes to Amapiano, I mostly start my beats off with a drum progression. So for this one, it was no different. With that said, let me show you my drum progression. So this is my drum progression. So you have your standard kick, hats, and shakers, and also more percussion. I'm gonna play the sounds one by one. So I'm starting off with a kick, one shot vocal here. Then we have this. Then you have followed by this one and this. And we have a shaker loop. And this shaker. And this snare loop. This hat. Just goes like that. Now all of them together. So our first sound on GMS is this preset, then this is the pattern. Which is followed by this one, but it uses a different preset and follows the same pattern. Just goes like that. Then moving on to another one. So this will act as our melodic sound, and I use this preset under basses, and I made this pattern. And the next one follows the same pattern, and I use this preset. This will act as our chord progression for the beat. Another sound, it's this one, which is sort of like a bassy punch sound. Here I use citrus. The next sound I used this. Lastly, we have our basses. and playing the pattern using my sub bass. And using this preset right here. And this one. And lastly, we have the clang bass. So let me play them together. That's how I made this beat, and now I'm just gonna play it to you. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.